Hello everyone, welcome to the welcome guide to TERA, where I'll show you how to set up and create an account. We're going to create a project, invite a user, and upload a file, and this is everything that you need to know in order to get started with TERA. So the first thing we're going to do is navigate to teratools.com. When we're there, click the sign up button, which will take you to the sign up page. Here you can enter your name in, like so, and then enter your email. And then we're going to accept policies and create an account. Now it's going to email a code to your inbox, so check your emails and get that code. So I've got this one here, which I'm going to copy paste, and then click continue. And now we're going to set up a password. So this can be anything that you want. And click continue. And if you get this, it's because you're using a common password, so you might want to use something a bit more complicated. And then this will take you to the home page. So this is where you can navigate to all the different TERA tools once you've created a project. So they'll appear on the left hand side, but because we don't have a project yet, none of them are showing up. And then on the main page will be information about the tool, as well as any notifications that we might have. So to create a project, you can just go to My Projects and click Create Your First Project. It's going to ask you for a name for your project. And then it's also going to ask you for a project type. So as you can see here, there's quite a few different review, trial, and comparative study types that we support at the moment, with more coming soon. But for this one, I'm just going to select systematic review, which a lot of the tools are focused around, and create a new project. So once we're here, now you can see that all the tools are showing up on the left-hand side down here. So now we can choose to invite people via email, which will add them to the project as a collaborator, so then they can log into their account and test it as well. So I'm going to invite a coworker via email. And that will now send an invite to their email where they can check their inbox and click a link in order to access it. So now we're going to look at uploading files. So go to the project files section on the left hand side. We can see here that there's no files. So what we're going to do is we're going to click upload file. We're going to select the file we want to upload. So in this case it is Screenatron, a tutorial for Screenatron, and this is an EndNote XML file which we've exported from EndNote. So we can double click this to open it, and then this will now upload the file to the projects. So this file will be associated with the project, and we can then access this file from any of the tools. So if we head over to Screenatron, wait for it to load, click choose a citation library to screen, and then we can see this file shows up, so we just click on that, and then it will upload into Screenatron. So then we can do our screening work. So we got one in the include, one in the exclude. Now we can go file, save progress is going to save a Screenatron file, which can be used to recover your progress later. You can also just click save in the top right corner, which will save that tool's data. So now if we navigate to a different tool and then come back, that progress will load. We can also go save results, which is going to export our library. So if we want to export the include group, we click that. We choose a name, so include.xml, click save. And now if we go back to project files, we can see it's in there. So then if we wanted to move to the next step, like dispute resolution, we can go and then we can select our include files. The last thing I want to touch on is the difference between subscribed and non-subscribed users. So TERA is free to use, but if you do want to support us, you can subscribe. And what this will allow you to do is to create multiple projects. So you can create infinite projects as a subscriber, but as a free user, you can only create one project. The other perk you get as a subscribed user is inside Mecha Screener. You can see in the top right that there's 1,000 available credits. So we can see here that free users get 1,000 credits that they start with, and you recharge 30 a day up to 1,000 as the max, and subscribed users get 10,000 credits as their max, and they recharge 300 credits a day. Now 1 credit equals 1 article screened. So if we upload this is 49 references. So this is going to use 49 of our credits during screening. And then that's everything that you need to know to get started with TERA. Keep an eye out for any future videos that we'll start doing on the individual tools.